Hey, how's it going? Happy New Year. And today I wanted to show you how to create these image billboards in LightWave 2024. This is really cool. This was one of the plugins that used to be with the OD tools, but now it's with LightWave natively. And to do this, all you need is some images, some 2D images, pictures, or whatever you have. And here I just have a cutout. So this is alpha background and this is the image here. So it looks better. I think it looks cooler when the image is cut out because then you see the contour of the body. But you could use this with a square shape or rectangular image if you wanted to. But then once you have these images in the scene, you can do like a fly through and it really creates a super neat effect. To do this, you just need to get some of those images. I just have two. And then you'll come up to the image editor here and then you'll click load those in. And then once you have those images, you just select them here. You can hold down Control and select them. And then you got to go to LightWave Pro Tools, and it's here under Surfaces, and you'll see this one that says Image Billboard. And if you click it, it opens up, and this is just a shape. It's not actual geometry. So if you want to make instances, you'd select geometry here, and then you can set the min and max height, and then you can randomize these values if you want. I just left it the same. And you can set it up to either be with LightWave Native or Octane. And then you'll click OK, and I think it's going to bring in two more of these. So see how it's brought them in here. And they're on top of each other. So then if you want to reposition them, that's easy enough to do. Just come down here to the mover, and you can move them on there. You can rotate them or whatever you want to do, scale them. Here I just want to maybe move one of these over like that. So it's just you can really get a nice cool effect with this and get a real nice fly through. So anyway, that's all I had just on the image billboard. Super cool little plugin now in LightWave 2024. So take care, and I'll talk to you next time.